In this video, we are demonstrating the Windows Server 2016 configuration. Another following service in the domain is locking out, temporary user account, disable user account, power sharing privilege access, and stream media casting. Without further ado, let's begin with configuration of Logon out in user account. Firstly, we go to the active domain user and computer. Under there we have three user. We have to configure the logon for a particular user. Right, we go to the property. In the property there's account. In account there's a button for logon hour. We click on that. Here we have the time slot for a logon for a particular user. So blue configuration, blue are representing the logon and white for local. For settings, just selecting to activate a time slot. In this case, we are supposed to set a user account to access a logon hour of 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Monday to Friday and 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday. After applying this configuration, you already set this time login for this particular user. We move to the next user. We proceed the same configuration as we done before. Moving on, for creating a temporary user account and disable a user account in domain. But in this case, we firstly create a user to demonstrate this part. In this case, we create a username James Allen. Also give them a login account. And we click next. We have to keep a password for this account and also enable the password never expire.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
Here we have successfully created a new account. So we also have to create an account for a further reference. We proceed the same procedure before, but we create an account under the name of David Brown. Also give a login follow with the password to access the domain and with setting of password never expire. So first demonstrating of temporary user account, we go to the property of the particular user. Under property in the account tab, there's a option under account expire. We have to set the contract of a particular user by assigning the end date of the contract. In this case is 30th of September of October, sorry. Then click OK. We successfully setting a account to a limit period of time. Our second demonstration is how to disable the user account. Just right click and we have option to disable the account. If you can see, we successfully disabled David Brown from the domain. Also, if we can enable the account if we want to. Moving on, our next is configuration of privilege access in file sharing. So first of all, we access the file share. Under share, we create a new file share. In this case, we were using the application setting. After that, we select the domain of the server. Here is the option for the name of the file share. In this procedure, we go with the default ones. And here in this step is the configuration of permission, customizing permission. Here we have to customize a permission for this folder by firstly disable inherited of this file, and then we add the privilege to this account. Also, we can remove other access from this share folder. In this case, we only allow the tech group in the technology OU to access this folder. We can set the permission in this folder by enlarging permission setting. In this case, we set full access to this folder under this tech group. So after confirming the grading of the self of this file sharing, in this procedure this is the final, and we can see we successfully create a file sharing. So moving on, we have to create the same procedure for a following different folder share, file share. So we proceed the same step. In this instant, we create this file name common that is likely to share by any user in a domain. Under customizing permission, we can disable inheritance and add permission that allow everyone in the domain with full access to this folder. In this part, you can customize the setting.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So we successfully create the file share, and then we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.